So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So, today we are going to discuss a topic why PTM is held in schools. Okay, so just you have to answer me one by one why PTM is held in schools. Okay, so first I will start from Harshit Agrawal. Okay, Harshit.
Yes, sir. So I think PTM should be important because because the parents should know about their child's performance and they can easily go in schools in this occasion and they can know about their children, about their performance and about their marks in exams and tests and all.
Okay, and according to you, Yashraj?
Yes, I am agree with I am agree with Harshit Agrawal. He said that in PTM the teacher see the weakness of their student and the parents of the students get know about the weakness and about all the subjects and seats of their students. But sometimes the teacher say lie about their students to parents.
Okay,
Yes.
Harsh?
According to me, the parents meeting is very important. The parents meeting held in school because when our exams is doing in school and when exam ended, then our school principal take a PTM in our school and then our parents then our parents was come and then they
So you said there is only role of principal in
no
PTM?
no
Okay.
Every teacher.
Okay.
And then they ask to class teacher if his marks is good or bad and his performance is good and bad. So that time teacher was give answer and that's all.
Okay. Tejal, according to you?
So according to me, yeah, it is really important in schools that they should help PTM because children are small and they need to get a guide of their mistakes, like what kind of things they should improve and in which field they are just excelling. So if they are excelling in that field, so they should keep it up. Like as Harshit told that it is for getting the marks and all about their child. So yeah, it is really like in all the schools mainly PTM is held for getting the marks of students. So parents teacher meeting is for communicating with each other, as we know the full form of parents PTM. So it is all about the communication.
Okay. Paridhi?
So according to me, it is very important because in parents teacher meeting, the parents came to know about their child's performance and how the child is performing in academics and studies. If the child is weak in any subject, so the parents can focus on that subject. And if the child is doing any type of bad habits, so the parents can know and they can scold their child about that.
Okay. Christy.
Okay, so again, hello and welcome back to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. So let's answer the question. So I think that parents-teacher meeting is very important so that the parents can know about the children, about their children, and teacher can tell the parents about their students. So the parents-teacher mainly is for that we can get to the parents can get to know about the marks of the children, and some are extraordinary PTMs which are so that in the middle of schools, so that the parents could know that how their childs are performing in school. And thank you.
So let's continue this topic. So my next question is that is there any benefit from PTM or means is PTM will be executed on the every month or means held in every month? So just you have to answer. Harshit Yadav.
In my opinion, the PTM is held every month because it should.
PTM should held.
PTM should held every month because it shows the monthly test and all the preparation of the student tell to their parents. Yes, there are so many benefits of PTM in also in student and also parents life.
Okay, Garv.
PTM should be held every month because the student the parents know about the student, and every month that we weakness and
Means you want to say that means parents or teachers can discuss, means is there any weakness of the student, so just the parents, sorry, teachers can discuss to the parents.
there are
Okay.
lots of benefit.
Yes, Ray.
So as we know that the PTM is not only for the academics, the PTM is also be for the to check the extracurriculum activities what the child
Means
is doing.
you want to say that means PTM is all about all over the performance of the students.
So by this we can also know about the what the children is doing in also other activities like in sports and other music also.
Okay,
So
Divyansh.
as PTM should be held in a school every month, because if PTM held every month, so we can, so parents take monthly progress of their child, and if their child do any mistake in school, so they can take about it and scold the student and reduce the problem.
Okay, Shivansh.
Everyone know PTM should held every month in school because student grades and his discipline and behavior and his marks, and teachers and guardians discuss about students.
Okay.
So in my opinion, there are lots of benefits of PTMs. Like the most benefit taken by the parents. They take information about the students, how they perform in their total academics, and what they do in the sports period and in class, and they maintain decorum or not. So there are a lot of benefits taken by the PTM.
Okay, good. So we have completed this video here. Okay, just please like, comment, share and subscribe, and if you have any means answer related to this question, so you can put in comment section. Okay, goodbye.